All right, test is tomorrow. So last day to get a little review here. This inequality. Use Desmos. Put fractions Desmos. All right. Yeah, we're going to use Desmos. Like I said, this was to get some practice with Desmos. Make sure you're typing things in correctly. Okay? When you put it in Desmos, you would have had 'Any questions on that? So we got, all right, give that a try. Find the value of x on that angle. Brian, what you got? 8. All right, so when you have perimeter, it's 8. Any questions on that? All right, so your test tomorrow has one like this. This is the exact same triangle. The first part's exactly the same. If this was a whole, so when I put x in, or 8 in for x, I got 8. I'd have 2 times 8 plus 5. 2 times 8 is 16, plus 5 is 21. I'd have 3 times 8 minus 4. 3 times 8 is 24. Minus 4 then is 20. So those three numbers, 8. Any questions about that? If it asks about the sides, having it equal to the perimeter. And then, all right, triangle. Quietly raising your hand. 7.25 is correct. Yo, just like the triangle, you add up your sides. So we got 4x minus 3 plus 9. You just got to remember there's 4 sides, so we got to fill in the blanks. So we got another 4x minus 3 and another plus 9. All that would equal 70. So that'd be our equation. Yeah, you can change the order on the sides. So like I got my 4x minus 3 here. I've got a plus 9. I've got a 4x minus 3. And I've got another plus 9. Because we're adding x. Okay. Other thing you could do, let's say you were doing this with Desmos. Desmos, I would go ahead and combine my like terms right away, like from the picture. So if I got 4x here, I got 4x here, that's 8x total. I got 9 and a 9 minus 3 is 15. Minus 3 would be 12. So I'd have 8x plus 12 equals 70. Desmos, that's the way I would start off the step. With will take care. To me, it's easy to combine from the here. So 7 years older than age Bob. So good problem for this test. This test is on equations and that goes with a unit we will do later this year. We'll do something with systems of equations. It's called, like I said, we'll get later. For right now, we're going to put two equations though, okay? So we got Al and Bob. So I'm going to use A and B as my variables to start with. Al is 7 years older than Bob. So Al is, if you have is, you put it equals, right? 7 years older than Bob. So we go 7 plus Bob. All right. Everybody get that first equation. It says 7 years older than Bob. That's what this shows. Al plus 7. The sum of their ages is 23. What's sum mean we're doing? Adding. So Al plus Bob equals 23. Everybody go with that equation. Do that is Desmos. The problem is Desmos only likes X's and Y's. Y. So go to Desmos. And on Desmos, I've now got X equals 7 plus Y, not plus, 7 plus Y, and X plus Y equals 23. Got to zoom out a little bit. See, 8. So that means when I get an answer here, I had the ordered pair 15, 8. So the X value? 15. Who's X? Al. So Al is 15. The Y value is 8. In this case, I made Bob the Y value, so Bob is 8. You need to keep sense. This is something we're going to do later this year. You get the two equations and you find where they cross, and on Desmos and a little bit without Desmos. Like I said, I don't like this problem for this test. So deal with it.